On the inside.
For clothes that twist and long. At Bold 3 Detergent Plus Fabric Softener. Spray. Relief.
You can zoom in on YouTube videos now. You can zoom in.
Don't zoom in.
Don't zoom in on our vids.
Zoom in.
Yeah, we're in the workshop just hanging out. You know how these go, we're not doing anything in particular. Yeah, we got a bunch of stuff. We're just going to hang out and try and make noise out of it.
I can't remember what is what. I think that's
This is just stuff that's been acquired over time.
a couple of years.
Yeah, just random.
I think that's like a CV thing. That records sound badly.
Good.
That's a little signal generator, I believe. Same as that. It'll probably just make a tone.
If you're looking at this and you know we're incredibly wrong already, then
Excuse us.
Yeah.
That's an echo thing. That is a pulse width modulator, I think. Yeah, it is. That's some sort of filter. I've never messed with this. Don't know what. We're just gonna see if we can get something to make sound.
Just poke around.
We're gonna try and make some sound and then try and affect the sound, and that's it. This might not work. Any of it. I'm gonna try and get a noise out of
What
something.
makes sound? What is a sound generator? That one.
This one. This one's one of them NE555s, which people use to make like dub sirens and that. So like.
Sweet.
You know what I mean?
Let's try and make one of them make sound then, I guess. That's stage one.
Stage one.
I think I'll make a sound. It'll be a pleasing one.
What are you expecting?
It's just go.
Yeah, that's it. You got it.
Cool.
You got it. You got it. That's what you get for £1.50 on AliExpress.
Wired things to things.
Wiring things to things. How to use a crocodile clip. Okay. How hard do you want to go? Oh. Should we make a bass one? That's as low as it goes.
Right.
We've got a signal. It's horrific. Bassline.
But, play the battery, mate. A new favourite instrument. You've heard of the triangle. Now, the battery.
The rectangle.
The rectangle. Press all your brains.
Drop a jungle break.
Etsy store.
Now we've got a sound, we can use weird controllers to manipulate it. We can run it into other stuff.
This might not be impressive to someone who knows electronics, but we're quite impressed we managed to get a sound out of that.
I've done it before.
Yeah,
I reckon let's get some sound
as
going.
me, the cameraman who don't know anything about electronics, I'm like, what is that?
Do you reckon there's cameramen like that filming Blue Planet and shit? And like with David Attenborough, the cameraman's like, what the fuck is that? I've never seen that in my life.
Yeah.
We're twiddling some wire. Life hack. Twisting wires together.
Yeah. Give it a little twiddle. You sure it doesn't need to go tighter?
That'll be alright. I'll hold it. Some twizzled wire.
Ooh. Oh. That's kind of good. What's the background buzz? It doesn't like down.
Pretty cool. Like it's got a mouse mode. Should we try and run it into a filter and then into an echo?
Yeah. Got a filter, got echo, got that horrible sound.
We can tune it down.
Let's make an instrument.
We call it the nipple flicker. Censor that on YouTube.
Pixelate.
Pixelate.
I don't even know if this is going to work.
Yeah, we need to test that in some measure first.
In pot.
Pot.
It's upside down.
Output.
Where's the shadow coming from? Our massive microphone.
Tilt it towards the light, not away from the light. If you like classic.
Your face.
If you like classic,
Your bits are always nasally.
battery operated.
Don't spit on that lens, mate. That cost me £1,000.
Yeah, if you like classic battery operated moments like that, you'll love
Oh yeah, we got
our
a
new
podcast.
podcast. Yeah, thanks for dropping it before I got to say it.
Stole the thunder. It's about tapes. Something about tapes. That's the whole. That's it. That's the concept.
Yeah, it's something about tapes. It's going to be coming soon, and we'll post it everywhere. So yeah, if you're into tapes and stuff, and
I'm just going back to my work.
fucking bare bands, mate, then yeah, come check it out. Sorry to all our American fans who just thought I spoke a different language. Right. I can try to explain.
Hang on.
Right, what?
I ain't done yet.
Yeah, I need to give a little because it's looking quite complicated. We've got a sound generator, got that controls the sound coming from the sound generator, and then we're plugging it into our echo circuit that we use everywhere. And it looks mad. Hopefully it works. Because we just spent 20 minutes soldering off cam.
I mean, I'm loving its vibe right now. Power it up.
Something might happen.
Is that speaker still on? No.
I got a false negative there. Oh.
There's no power coming through this. We fucked that off and put a 100k pot on there because we know it's the right value. Car alarm. This thing's annoying, like it needs like Morse code on and off. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, fun's over.
Sweet.
What was the point of this?
Just a vehicle for banter.
Just a bit of chat, mate. Just wanted to catch up with my old brother. No, I think that point is get some shit, make some shit, see what shit sticks.
Poke around. No, you could probably do something good with these.
If people like noisy stuff, well, I'm not a massive fan.
Yeah, we're not fans of noisy stuff, but you noisy guys out there, you'd like it. It's good.
Yeah, mess about. Have a go. Don't be scared.
Sweet.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Where's the button? I can't find the button.
Funky colors. Shapes that swing.
It's impossible.
Game of level being seen, and it is virtually
After the honeymoon, but when I got back and I found out that he'd stolen Ben. Lies have gotten all of us into so much trouble.